Hey everybody, welcome back to another 2020 Toyota Tacoma video. Well, this week I decided to test fit these side steps that I got. I picked these up pre-owned and I got them dirt cheap. So they're not exactly what I want. I want more of a slider type, but for the price, I figured I couldn't go wrong with these. So stay tuned. All right, installing these is very simple. There's a lot of videos on YouTube on how to do this, so I'll just give a quick rundown. Got some plastic plugs or blanks, 2 there, 2 in the middle, and 2 at the front. Just kind of pull them out with a flat blade screwdriver, and then install these with the hardware, 2, 2, and 2. Shouldn't take more than about 5 minutes per side. Let's get this going. All right, just after a couple minutes, I got this side on. I think they look pretty good. Not exactly the actual ones I wanted, but for the price, I think I'll live with these for a while. They hang down probably a little more than I would like, but they don't really, I mean, they don't hang any lower than the actual frame. So that's a good thing. And I think they look a lot better on a truck that's lifted. So I guess I'll put the other side on. All right, the passenger side's done. And overall, I don't think they look too bad on the lifted truck. I guess I'll leave these on there maybe until I get sick of them or until I can afford more of a rock slider. But for the price, can't beat these. And they will come in pretty good use. Some people don't like to jump up into a lifted truck, so guess I can't complain. Anyway, one more project done. Thank you so much for watching, and please consider subscribing for more 2020 Tacoma content. And until next time, we'll catch you on the flip side.